Isa Jallo.
Wait.
What? She's afraid of me?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
Am I big and ugly?
Sise.
What's wrong with Isa Jallo?
She go home.
Ah,
Here is my home.
the tree's your home?
Yes. She go.
It's a nice home.
Thank
You can climb. You can climb.
you.
She. And what's your name?
Me.
What's your name?
What?
Fatu.
What? Yes.
You're a good climber, Fatu.
Thank you.
Yikes, Fatu. There's no cashew.
I'm trying. Wait. I see.
You see? I don't see. Isa ran away.
You want this castle?
Which one? Where?
This.
Yeah. My God, Fatu. Yikes! You can you can climb though. Ah, thank you. This one not ripe, Fatu.
This.
It's not ripe.
Wait. She go home. She say, I see one boy. This as a girl.
What's wrong with?
Girl. It's like a girl. This.
No, she said she saw me. She thought I was a problem.
Yes.
Well, she's afraid of me.
I don't know.
Ah, what's wrong with Isa Jallo?
She say you. I say wait. She say I am wrong.
Oh, Isa. Waalaikumsalam.
Hello.
Salam alaikum. Hello, how are you, sir?
Fine, thank you.
Anything for me?
Yeah.
Ah. Hey, Fatu? I don't think there's no cashew, Fatu. Fatu, the tree climber.
You what do you from?
I'm from England.
England.
Yeah.
I see one girl. She say me. I like me. She say she's from England.
She said she like you?
Yes.
Ah. Why she like you?
I don't know.
No, you're a nice girl, Fatu, that's why. Look at Fatu climb. Shee.
That wise.
No, I say Fatu, say look at Fatu climb. Isa Jallo! Kai! She ran.
She is my friend. My brother is America.
Your
my brother.
is in America?
Yes.
Where in America?
And my uncle and my she is soldier.
Your brother is soldier in America?
Yes.
Ah. Your uncle is soldier too?
Yes.
Ah.
You like me?
What, you're going to be a soldier?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
I want to be this.
What?
Police.
Ah, but police and soldier are the same thing, Fatu.
Listen.
It's different.
Huh?
Police and soldier are the same thing.
Yes. Wait, I see
Look.
one castle.
You sure?
Yes.
Where? Yes, yes. Another day. Wait, is that cashew? Wait, did I just see cashew? Don't mind the goat. If you want a goat, I can give you a goat. But I just saw cashew. So I'm going to have me some cashew. If they're ripe, that one has been in the sun. Let me go under. There are birds in here. You buggers have been eating all the cashew. I want the one that's not in the sun. That one is in the sun. That one is in the sun. I'm trying to get... Oh, these children. Oh. I can get some from this side. I love the cashew. Buggers. Ah. Yes, my cashew adventure. Okay, you just fell. You're mine. Yes. This one just fell. Try this yellow one. No? Ah. Yep. Oh, this is a sweet tree. Another one fell. I'm going back to raid that tree. That one is sweet. So this is my friend here. She says she's my enemy. I met her in Tejureng and I gave her a ride down. And what's he called? This is Sanyong? Kachuma. Yeah, so we're in Kachuma. This is her bar. So yeah, she doesn't want to talk to people. That's why her back is turned. She's shy. But this is her bar. So if you're in Kachuma, Gambia, you want to get drunk, come to her place and get drunk. Wow. Hey, and I don't drink. Looks nice. Hey, I can tell that's Kanai. Kana. That's Bush. This is Cashew whiskey. This sucker is basically petrol. It is strong. From what I've been told, it's called kill me. they call it kill me slowly. Yeah. Kana. Kill me slowly. Well, this is day number something. I'll talk to you later.